Everybody, this is Dennis from DoYourResume.com. I want to tell you quickly about my company and what we do for you. Essentially, we build the brand of you when you're looking for a job. We create a hire-worthy resume with a dynamic cover letter. How we do that is by employing our 26 on-staff resume ninjas, as I like to call them. They're resume experts. They're personnel managers. We like to think of ourselves as green. We telecommute. We conduct job searching via radio search. We do everything online. We're green, we save light, we save gas, and we're good at what we do. Giving back to the community, that's essential. We conduct free resume seminars at workforce centers. We also do resumes at no charge for veterans, active military or retired. Our service is very important to us, and we deliver resumes within 24 hours. That's important. We take the stress out of getting the perfect resume for the job you need. We talk up and highlight your strengths. I'm Dennis from DoYourResume.com, and this is my business story.